Plants are one of my not secret trade secrets as an interior designer, and I want to take you to 3 local Seattle shops that sell them: Swanson's Nursery, the Plant Shop, and Greenhouse. I'm at Swanson's Nursery in the cafe portion, and this is where all of the great indoor plants are. There is a huge amount, and my favorite is down here. So they have a great selection of fiddle leaf figs, all different sizes. You can buy it with or without a pot, and this is a great resource. We don't do a lot of outdoor arrangements, but one thing I do love to utilize is a cypress in a planter pot with flowers trailing outside of the planter. The thing to me that sets Swanson's apart is that they have a great selection of indoor items as well as outdoor plants and all kinds of different trees. I have a condo, so I don't have use for outdoor plants right now, but I dream of the day when I have a home and I get to have a beautiful Japanese maple. I'm at the Plant Shop here in Seattle. They have 2 locations. This is the Central District location, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite things. This is a Burgundy rubber tree, and I really love that this is kind of the sweet spot of price and size. So this one is about $79, and you can get even more height when you put it in a cool planter like this. Another great thing about the Plant Shop is that they have the best plant pots. It's really hard to find a simple black cylinder that's matte black, or a simple terracotta or white, and they have a really great variety, and it's our go-to for that style. Succulents are my personal favorite because I am terrible at taking care of plants. These are so easy to maintain, and you can get them in so many different sizes. And the great thing about the Plant Shop is that they sell small bags of dirt. So when you want to plant something yourself, repot it, you don't end up with that giant bag in the closet. I'm at the Greenhouse, and I'm with one of the owners, Elisa, and I want to ask you a few questions. I want to start with, how did the Greenhouse come to be?
Well, we always had plants and flowers at Glasswing. We kind of felt like we needed a little bit more space, a little bit more room to breathe, and found this beautiful space as sort of an extension of the things we were building there.
A bird of paradise is a really great, large, beautiful plant, and I think that it definitely helps finish off a space, and this one is $250 and looks great. The Greenhouse has the cutest selection of watering cans. I actually have this one and I love it. Not only are they functional, but they're just another super cute element for your house. Not only does the Greenhouse sell plants, they also sell flowers, and they can help you make your own arrangement, or they can make it for you. They also have workshops, and I think that it's really cool and special that there is somewhere local that does this. What is your favorite thing in the shop right now, and your favorite thing about the shop?
Okay, good question. I'm really into the philodendron monsteras that we have right now. They're very impactful and they're very easygoing, so I love them.
You have great shops at Glasswing, but now that you have this dedicated space, what does that allow for?
I think it allows for a greater connection to our customers. Sometimes you just come in and you want like in-depth knowledge, you want really good care just specifically with the plants, and that's kind of what we're able to offer here.
Great, yeah, it looks beautiful. I love it.